Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that if you post any post on Facebook, it will be directly shared on your stories as well. So how you're going to enable that option, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So suppose I want to post something, then I go to the photos and videos and I will select any photo or video that I want to share. Suppose in this case I want to share this video. So you can write down anything here, then you need to tap on next, and here you will find the option share to your story. So once you tap on that one, all you need to do is to enable this one. Here are two options, share always or share once. If you share always, then any post that you're posting in the future on Facebook, it will be shared on your story as well. But if you share it once, only this one will have these settings. So once you tap on save, and from now on, when you share this post, it will be shared to your story as well. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.